It was a cold morning. Jake Miller rushed out of his apartment, already late for work. He grabbed his coffee and ran toward the street. "Great, I'm going to be late again," he muttered. He jumped into a taxi and finally relaxed. But suddenly, his expression changed. He checked his pocket. Then again, his wallet was gone. "No, no, this can't be happening." His voice trembled. His wallet had everything: his ID, cards, cash, even a family photo. "Sir, are you okay?" the driver asked. "I lost my wallet," Jake said, helpless. At the same time, just a few blocks away, a college student named Mia noticed something on the ground. It was a wallet. She picked it up and opened it slowly. "Jake Miller," she read. She looked around. No one was there. Mia stood still for a moment. She had a choice: keep it or return it. She took a deep breath and made her decision. Meanwhile, Jake sat at his office, stressed and defeated. He had already blocked his cards. His day felt completely ruined. Then suddenly, his phone rang. "Hello? Hi. Is this Jake Miller?" "Yes. My name is Mia. I think I found your wallet." Jake froze. "Wait, really?" Jake rushed home as fast as he could. When he arrived, Mia was standing there, holding his wallet. "Thank you so much," Jake said. He opened it. Everything was there, not a single dollar missing. Jake offered her a reward, but Mia smiled and said, "Just help someone else someday." And then she walked away. In a busy city, kindness still exists. Do the right thing, even when no one is watching.